When performance matters, every detail counts. This massive renovation led by Austin Construction demanded strength, durability, and beauty.
We delivered custom glass railings, stunning glass stair systems, engineered for safety, but built to impress.
From full-scale mirrors to sleek partition walls, every element enhances both function and design.
These ES storefronts and sliding glass doors transfer light while standing up to high traffic use.
We use commercial-grade ES 9000 doors to handle the daily grind.
This isn't just glass.
It is performance-driven design made to last. At Reliable Windows and Luxury Glass, we specialize in luxury exterior and interior fenestration, elevating every space we touch. Thanks for being with us today. We'll see you on the next one.